9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All L40 engines generating nominal thrust. S139 motor
Plus
ignited.
5 seconds.
That's a magnificent
tracking.
of the GSLV
Lift off
F-16
normal.
NiSAR mission. The deafening roar of GSLV and beautiful
15 seconds.
silhouette brightening the Sriharikota sky.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा चारों
You see
S139
L40
सफल प्रज्वलन
25 seconds.
और GSLV
successful launching. The
गंतव्य की ओर बढ़ता हुआ
this is going to the destination.
हम यहाँ कंपन महसूस कर पा रहे हैं.
We are experiencing the vibration here in this mission station.
S139 solid core motor and 4 L40 liquid strap-ons thrusting together. 7,800 kN cumulative thrust.
First stage performance normal.
Sharwan is in main auto.
The day of launch
Plus
wind
1
biasing
minute.
program that is fed into the onboard computers helped the rocket to
Shah
veer
2 is
through
in
the
main auto.
atmosphere with minimal aerodynamic loads.
प्रथम चरण का कोर बूस्टर लगभग
The first stage core booster will be ignited.
L40 चरण
L40 stage.
सेकंड तक प्रज्वलित
150 seconds.
पश्चात इसे
It will be
यहाँ से
calm.
पृथक किया जाएगा.
So after that, it will be separated from the
और
craft.
अपने अपेक्षित पथ का अनुकरण करता हुआ
First
जा
stage
रहा है.
performance normal.
Currently, the rocket is in open loop guidance. Shar ground station is tracking.
S139 burnout.
कोर बूस्टर का प्रज्वलन समाप्त हो चुका है.
So it has been completed
From the
the
operations director that the
ignition of core booster.
booster has stopped its operation. The 4 L40s are thrusting still.
First stage performance normal.
प्रथम चरण का कार्य निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य
The first stage is normal.
होता हुआ वर्तमान
This is
में
going to its
प्रज्वलित है.
launched
L40
direction.
प्रज्वलित है.
L40 is
कार्यकाल 150
ignited.
सेकंड का होगा.
So it will be 50 seconds duration.
GS2 ignited. GS1 separated. 1S. IS 1/2 main separated.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने सुना रेंज
Yes, you saw.
पुष्टि की है.
Range operation director has
पृथक किया जा चुका है.
Payload
तथा
fairing.
confirmed.
चरण का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है.
The second stage ignition has been started.
In the flight, the GS1 has undergone a hot separation and GS2 commenced its operation and thrusting nominally. The payload fairing has also been separated and closed loop guidance has been initiated.
जी हाँ, इस दौरान
Second
Yes,
stage
in this
performance normal.
वातावरण से बाहर, इसलिए पेलोड फेयरिंग या ऊष्मा कवच की आवश्यकता
Payload fairing.
थी, इसलिए इसे यान से पृथक कर दिया जाता है.
So this has been separated from the
गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है और स्वतः ही अपना
spacecraft.
निर्धारण कर रहा है.
and then this is going to its
Powered by
own
the Vikas
direction.
engine that uses the Earth storable propellant combination of UH-25 and N2O4. The second stage of GSLV develops 846 kilonewton thrust in vacuum. Burn time for this mission of GS2 is 140 seconds.
Plus 4 minutes.
दर्शकों का उत्साह देखते ही बनता है यहाँ पर.
So we are seeing the encouraging viewers here.
द्वितीय चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ अग्रसर
So
है.
second stage is in its normal ignition.
इसमें इस चरण में US-25
In
तथा
this-
N2O4 ईंधन का प्रयोग किया जाता है.
In this stage, US-24 and N2 is used.
लगभग 150 सेकंड का होगा.
So around 150 seconds time for this ignition. Like we previously mentioned, second stage.
द्वितीय चरण को अनुमोदित कर दिया जाएगा.
So after finishing the second stage, the third stage would be
third stage or the
started.
GS2 thrust cutoff.
operation. The second
GS2
stage
separate.
has completed
Stage
its
ignition
operation and has
commanded.
been jettisoned from the ongoing vehicle.
द्वितीय चरण के सफलतापूर्वक प्रदर्शन के पश्चात
Second stage completion, successful completion has been achieved. This is the third stage, the last stage has been. This is the complex stage.
या अंतिम
So
चरण
we
है
can
जो
see the viewers
सुरक्षा की ओर ले जाएगा.
The
encouraging
cryogenic upper stage
viewers.
has commenced its operation.
Cryo stage operating at operated level.
The CUS stage with CE 7.5 engine with liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as oxidizer with a nominal thrust of 73.55 kilonewton. In this mission, there will be a thrust upratement of 11%, that is
Cryo stage performance normal.
4 kilonewtons for about 405 seconds.
plus 6 minutes.
वर्तमान में तृतीय चरण क्रायो अपर स्टेज
This is the third stage,
75 किलोन्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है.
75 kilonewton
लगभग
ignition.
850 मिनट सेकंड्स तक जारी रहेगा.
So this will be continued for 850 seconds.
वर्तमान में सापेक्ष गति 3.49 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड तथा
So
ऊंचाई
currently the relative velocity is 3.49 kilometer per second.
Cryo stage performance normal.
Altitude of 528 kilometers. Shar and Trivandrum stations continue to extend tracking and telemetry support. When the cryo stage had commenced action, the instantaneous relative velocity was 3.5 kilometers per second.
Plus
By the
one
end of thrust upratement, it becomes 4.5 kilometers per second. For the next 400 seconds that follow, there is a significant addition in the relative velocity of up to 7.5 kilometers per second.
Cryo stage performance normal.
सभी विशिष्ट वैज्ञानिक यहाँ उपस्थित.
So specific scientists are present here to witness this great event. So the third stage is completely normal.
त्रिवेंद्रम इसे भलीभांति ट्रैक कर रहे हैं.
So they are tracking.
The altitude gained during thrust upratement is about 400 kilometers in cryostage operational range. When the thrust upratement ends, there is a considerable increase in relative velocity at a marginal loss of altitude.
plus 8 minutes.
तृतीय चरण की यात्रा लगभग 850 सेकंड तक जारी रहेगी.
So the third stage would be continued up until 850 seconds.
सिंथेटिक
Cryo
अपर्चर
stage
रडार
performance normal.
जिसे संक्षिप्त में नाइसार कहते हैं, वैज्ञानिकों को
Yes,
प्राकृतिक खतरों
This is
और
called NISAR.
घटनाओं जैसे भूकंप, ज्वालामुखी
So
विस्फोट और भूस्खलन जैसी प्राकृतिक घटनाओं को बेहतर ढंग से समझने के लिए
the natural disasters like landslide,
को भेदने की क्षमता के कारण यह तूफान और बाढ़ जैसी मौसमी
this
आपदाओं
penetrates the clouds
व सटीक जानकारी उपलब्ध कराने में
and
सक्षम
this
होगा.
will provide the
इससे तत्काल
real-time information
घटनाओं को
about
मदद मिलेगी. यह बर्फ की चादर, ग्लेशियर और समुद्री बर्फ में परिवर्तन जैसे
the changes in the glaciers,
प्रदान करेगा.
the thickness of ice,
साथ ही वनों की कटाई, वनाग्नि तथा
So the,
बर्फ से ढकी हुई जमीनों का
deforestation,
सक्षम होगा.
the
यह एक अग्रणी
problems of deforestation can also be mitigated.
बारे में वैज्ञानिक जानकारी का खजाना प्रदान करेगा.
So this will provide the scientific information.
वैज्ञानिक आपस में जुड़ चुके हैं तथा आपसी
The scientists are combined together. So this is a very ambitious mission.
NISAR or the NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar is a remarkable milestone in the Indo-US space ties. Designed on the I-3K mainframe bus, NISAR will render services for the next 5 years according to free and open data policy.
7.35 kilometer per second is the relative velocity, and
Performing nominally.
Thrust cutoff.
The thrust has
Standard
been cut off
injection
of the
conditions
trial
achieved.
stage, and next event is the NISAR separation, which is perhaps very close.
जी हाँ, जैसा अपेक्षित था,
yes, as expected.
GSL F-16 NISR mission accomplished successfully.
जी हाँ, इसकी पुष्टि हो चुकी है।
This has been confirmed.
प्राप्त की जा चुकी है।
The NISAR has been separated.
The NISR satellite into its designated injection orbit. The GSLV F-16 NISR mission is successfully accomplished.